this installation guide video, we're going to be taking a look at installing Uberbike pulley wheels into a SRAM Eagle 12-speed mech, but the same fitting principle applies for the SRAM 11-speed system also. Taking a 3mm Allen key, we'll go ahead and remove the original pulley wheels. We offer two pulley wheel options for SRAM's 12-speed systems, and we refer to these as option A and option B. So if we go ahead and take the rear cage, in the upper position, if you have this raised spigot here with the thread inside, that denotes option A. If it's smooth, like the lower position, then that's option B. So let's go ahead and install the pulley wheels. So now we've identified that this rear mech is an option A, and when you order an option A set of pulley wheels, you get a separate bag here with a bearing cover with a 6mm hole. If you take that on your rear cage and slide that onto that spigot. We'll start by taking the 12 tooth upper pulley wheel first. This is an option A, so when you turn it over, you'll notice there's no bearing cap installed on the rear. If this is an option B, there'll be bearing covers on both sides. So if we take the upper bolt, slide through the rear mech, slide the pulley wheel over, and with the 6mm cap already installed on the rear cage, put the two together and tighten. We'll install the 14 tooth lower pulley wheel next. So if you take the pulley wheel bolts, slide through the rear mech, slide the pulley wheel on, then locate on the rear cage and tighten. With all our pulley wheels, we offer two bearing types, steel and ceramic hybrid, with the ceramic hybrid offering a lower rolling resistance with improved bearing life. For a quick overview of our made in Sheffield pulley wheel range, we'll start with 11 tooth versions. These are primarily used for Shimano 9, 10, 11 speed systems plus SRAM X7 and X9. Next, for SRAM 11 speed, these use a pair of 12 tooth pulley wheels. For Shimano's 12 speed system, these use a pair of 13 tooth pulley wheels. The lower wheel has a retaining lip for the chain. And for SRAM's 12 speed system, this uses a 12 tooth upper with a 14 tooth lower, again which features the lower chain retaining lip. All of these are available in 9 colour options.